Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and I have got a Type 13 arming sword. So these run from about 1150 through to about 1350. You have, first of all, starting on this sheath here, because it is absolutely fantastic. Great detail on here, and just as great detail on the back, the way all the lacing's done. So it's not just sewn on, it's done properly. Got a fantastic shape here as well, again, period appropriate. So I'm going to put the scabbard aside now, which is a work of art in its own right. And we're going to come to the sword. So what we've got here with the Type 13 is a fuller running nearly to the tip. It's very much a cut oriented sword. So it can do some stabbing, but really it's mostly about the cutting. This particular one features just a slightly swelling blade towards the hilt here. You have a straight guard and obviously a wheel pommel. Now the wheel pommel itself is slightly deformed on the top, and that is, you often see as part of the manufacturing process, when they're hot punching these pommels, they get deformed. So sometimes you see them with a flat here, sometimes you actually see them with two flats where they've driven it into a corner. But that pommel again is very characteristic of this period. Nice cord bound leather grip, not too stupid long, but not too short either. Altogether, it is a lovely sword. Coming through with a balance point, about there, with an 82 centimetre, 32 inch blade.